Children, look at this picture. You can see a boy, a ladder and a snake, right? The boy is at the top of the ladder, right? Boy is at the top of the ladder. All of you together with me say top. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. The boy is at the top of the ladder, right? All of you spell the word top. T-O-P, top. Okay? Next you can see a snake, right? Snake is at the bottom of the ladder. What we say? Snake is at the bottom of the ladder. All of you study the word bottom. B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. All of you understood the new words, top and bottom. All of you once more repeat, top. T-O-P, top. Bottom. B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Children, look at this picture. You can see a boy, a girl, a slide, right? The girl is at the top of the slide. And the girl is at the top of the slide. Now look at the boy. You can see a boy who is at the bottom. What we say? Bottom of the slide. Boy is at the bottom of the slide. And girl is at the top of the slide. So you have to study these two new words, top and bottom. T-O-P, top. B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. All of you understood these new words. All of you should write these words in your maths checkbook. Okay? Top and bottom. Children, look at this picture. You can see a girl, her father and school, right? The girl is near the school. You have to study the new word near. N-E-A-R, near. Girl is near the school. She is standing near to the school, right? Now look at her father. Her father is far from the school. What we say? Father is far from the school. First we say girl is near the school and her father is far from the school. F-A-R, far. Look at the other picture. You can see a boy, right? The boy is near the lighthouse. A big building is near to the boy. So we say the boy is near the lighthouse. What we say? Boy is near the lighthouse. N-E-A-R, near. N-E-A-R, near. Then look at the birds. The birds are far from the lighthouse. What we say the word? Far. Birds are far from the lighthouse. Far. Study the word far. F-A-R. Far. Once more. F-A-R. Far. Near and far. Children, all of you take your textbook and take the exercise 1.1. First question. Color the set that has lesser number of pictures. You have to color the set that has lesser number of pictures. Lesser number of pictures means less amount of pictures. You can see in this circle, you can see 1, 2, 3 number of pictures. Right? Here, in this round, you can see only one number. Right? So, this here 1, here 3. Less is 1. So, we can color the set. Okay. So, this has lesser number of pictures. Now, put a tick against the shorter animal. You can see two animals, right? One is a giraffe and another is a zebra. Here, we have to put a tick mark against the shorter animal. Here, the shorter animal is zebra. This is short and this, so we put a tick mark. Next, put a tick against the fruit that is smaller. Here we can see jackfruit and apple, right? The smaller fruit is apple. Put a tick against the longer straw. Here you can see two straws, right? Which is the longer one? This? No. This is the longer straw. Next, put a tick against the thicker book. Thicker, we have two books. This is thick, this is thin, right? We have to put a tick against the thicker book. So, this is the thicker book. Put a tick against the thinner candle. Thinner. This candle is thick and this is thin. We have to put a tick against the thinner candle. So, we put the tick mark. Now, put a tick against the objects that are inside. Here you can see some apples and a mango. Which is inside? This is inside. So, tick mark is there. Now, look at this picture. The objects that are inside. The books are inside the bag, right? So, we can put a tick mark. Now, top and bottom, right? Today we studied. Put a tick against the one at the top. In this picture, which is at the top? The boy is at the top, right? The boy is at the top. So, we can put the tick mark. Next, go near and far. Today we studied. Put a tick against the one that is near. One is done. We studied. Another one which is near. This is a lighthouse. The boy is near to the lighthouse. So, we can put a tick mark. Okay. On the last class, we studied on and under, right? Books are on the table. Basket is under the table, right? Here we can see a boy is sitting on the bed, right? Here there is a mouse. The mouse is under bed, right? So we can put a tick mark. Question is put a tick against the one that is under. Mouse is under, right? Okay. Then above and below. We studied above and below. Here you can see an aeroplane and a ship, right? Aeroplane is flying above the bridge. This is a bridge and aeroplane is flying above the bridge. And ship is sailing below the bridge, right? So we can do other example. You can see a ship, right? So the question is put a tick against the one that is above. Birds are above the ship, right? So we can put a tick mark. You can see some fishes. Fishes are below the ship. Birds are above the ship. I hope all of you understood how to do this exercise. All should do this exercise in your textbook. All of you should put tick mark against the correct answers. Okay? Thank you.